Good afternoon, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine and in good health. Today, girls, we will continue the same lesson that we started on Tuesday, division and distributive probability. So, bring your books and open your books on page 229 to solve the exercises, please. And we will start after 1 minute. Hi, Lara. Hi, Lana. Thank you, my dear. Hi, Kinda. Hello, Aryam. Hello, all. Thank you, Zen. Thank you, Kinda. Hello, Sema. Hello, Kinsey. Thank you all. Miss you all, of course. Girls, let's start our lesson. So we will move now to the page 229. Girls, did we solve those or not? I want someone of you to tell me if we solved number 1 or not. Thank you, Bisa. Thank you. Love you too. Yes, we did number 1. Number 1 we did it or not? Yes, number 2. What about number 2? We did number 2. 45 divided 3. Both. Okay, very good. So let's move now to number 3, and if we have time we will solve exercises and the homework. So this page 229, girls, 229. Always the page is here. Okay, so you can see the page here up, the number. So I want to find the quotient by using distributive probability. Remember that. Thank you, Kinda, and thank you. Okay, you do the homework, Duha. Very good. So today we will continue the lesson. 86 divided 2. You remember in distributive probability that I told you you can break the number like 86 into 2 numbers, and I have to choose 2 numbers, the 2 numbers able to divide on 2. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Yes, Kinda, could you please tell me 86, if I want to break the 86 into 2 numbers, what those 2 numbers? Are you prepared or not? Okay, do you want me to give you enough time? Okay, dear. You remember I told you that the first strategy you can break what into 2 numbers. I can't choose the digits here. Yes. Yes. Again, please raise your voice. 24 and Kinda. Okay, I think Kinda you want to. Okay, look, you said 24 and 52. 52. I heard. Okay, Kinda. Now look, I will mute you, Kinda, just 1 minute. Look, girls, Kinda said that 24 and 52, but the point from distributive probability is to use my mind to find the quotient. Now I think I can here divide 24 maybe on 2, but 52, if I want to divide it on 2, it will be what? It will be what? What's wrong with you, girls? Okay, so it will be hard for me to divide 52 on 2. Okay, so the main idea, let's remember together that I told you, if you want to break down the number into 2 numbers, First strategy, I will use it. I will take the digits, the tens and the ones. That's mean, look, I will take the 6 and the 80, because 8 in the tens digit, so I will take the value of the 8, so it will be 80. And I will take the 6 in the ones digit, so it will be 6. Okay, so those numbers, can I use those numbers? Yes, because both numbers able to divide on 2. I can divide those numbers by 2. And I told you, if those numbers I can divide it by 2, you can use another strategy, that you will take the tens number from the divisor. You remember that from Tuesday. So both numbers here, 80 and 6, able to divide on 2, so I will choose this strategy. Let's continue with you, Kinda, again. And yes, 80 divided 2, I have to divide 8 on 2 and put 0 next to the number, so it will be what?
80 divided 2.
8 first. 8.
40.
Very good, very good. 40. Because 8 divided 2, what's the number that I will multiply it with 2? It will be 8. It's 4. And I have to put 0 next to the number, so it will be 40. Now 6 divided 2.
6 divided 2 equals 3.
Very good, Kinda. Equals 3. So because 3 multiplied 2 equals 6. Now I will add the answers. So what's the number? 40 plus 3 equals?
40 plus 3.
40.
Plus 3 equals...
Yes, it's 43. That's correct. 43. Yes, Kinda. Thank you so much, my dear. Very good. Now let's continue to number 4. Here I have 208 divided 4. Here I have a hundred number. Let's continue now to break down the number. Please, girls, raise your hands. Yes, Zain, open your mic. Zain, yes, dear. Now I want to break down 208 into 2 numbers, and those 2 numbers must be able to divide on 4. And I can divide those numbers by using my mind. What's those numbers? 208.
20.
3?
20, not 3.
20. This is 20, Kinda. Sorry, Zain. This is 20?
No.
This is what? I told you, you can take the digits. Look, girls, here I have 2 in the hundredths digit. In the hundredths. Sama, give me the right answer. Correct. Very good. So 2 in the hundredths digit. This means this is what?
200.
Very good. 200. And the 8 in the ones digit here. That's means.
So it will be 8.
Very good. So the numbers here 208. Can I divide those numbers by 4?
Yes.
Yes, they are able to divide on 4. So I can use those 200 and here 4. Very good, Zain. Okay, Zain, thank you. Now we will continue the division with Lana. Yes, Lana, could you please help me to divide this 100 number on 4? And this...
Yes.
Yes. 200 divided 4.
50.
50. Very good. Because look, girls, you remember how to divide a hundredths number on one digit number? So I will divide what? 20. 20 divided 4 equals 5, because 5 multiplied 4 equals 20, and I have to put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 50. Now 4 divided 4, Lana?
Is 1.
Very good. Is 1. Sorry, this is not 4, girls. This is 8. I'm sorry. This is 8. Because we divided it into 208. I'm sorry about that. Please correct this. Now 8 divided 4 equals what?
2.
Very good. Equals 2 because 2 multiply 4 equals 8. Now I want the final answer, Lana.
50 plus 2 equals 52.
Very good, Lana. 52. This is the final answer. Thank you so much, Lana. Thank you, girls. Girls, if when you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Just one time. If you don't finish, please type 0. Okay, I think all of you finished. Let's move to the next example. Okay, so here I have which one you want me to repeat it, Zena, before we erase? Which one? Zena, you asked me to repeat which one, please. Number 4 or number 3? 3 and 4? Okay, I will repeat again for you, Zena. So, girls, you remember yesterday, or not yesterday, on Tuesday, we talked about how to divide numbers on a one-digit number by using base 10 blocks. Sorry, not base 10 blocks, I'm sorry, by using distributive probability. So the first thing, to use distributive probability, I have to break the number, the two-digit number, into two numbers, and those two numbers must be able to divide on 2. So that's mean I have to break down the two-digit number here, 86, into two numbers. So which number I will use, or I will choose? The easiest way, I told you yesterday or on Tuesday, that you can take the numbers in each digit. That means if I have 86, I will take the value of the number in the ones digit, which is 6, so the value will be 6, and the 8, the value of the 8 in the tens digit will be 80. So look, 80 and 6, those numbers able to divide on 2. Can I divide those numbers on 2? Yes, of course I can, because those numbers, look, 8 I can divide it on 2 and 6 also. So I will break down this number into two numbers here. Okay, and those two numbers I will divide it on 2 and put it between parentheses. Then I will find the answer for each parenthesis here. So 80 divided 2, 8 divided 2, what's the number that I will multiply it with 2? It will give me 8. It's 4. So I will put 4 and put the 0 next to it. As we learned in the division to tens number, 6 divided 2 equals what? What is the number that I will multiply it with 2? It will give me 6. It's 3. Now I will add the numbers here to find the final answer. So the answer for this division by using distributive probability is 43. Okay? Now what about 208? 208 also, I will take the 208 and I will take the value of each number in each digit. 8 in the ones digit. That means the value of 8 is 8. 2 in the hundredths digit. This is very important. So the value of the 2 here is 200. Okay? Now I will put those numbers in each one. I will put it between parentheses and divide this number on 4. Those numbers able to divide on 4. So here 200 divided 4, as we learned in the hundredths division, I will divide 20 by 4, the answer is 5, and put 0 next to the answer. Now 8 divided 4 equals what? Equals 2. So I will add the numbers, so the final answer is 52. Now let's move to the next one. Now I will use also here, guys, the question here is use base 10 blocks, but here I will use distributive probability. I will not use base 10 blocks. Okay? So I will use also distributive probability in each example to find the final one. Here I will divide 88 on 4. That's mean I will divide, or I will break 88 into two numbers. those two numbers must able to divide what on 4. So let's see who will tell me what those numbers. Let's see, Rinad. Yes, Rinad, please open your mic and tell me.
Yes, teacher.
I want to divide 88, or I want to break 88 into two numbers. Could you please tell me what those two numbers?
80.
80 and 80, yes, and
80 divide 4.
yes, the next one, the second number is what? The first one is 80. The second one is what?
8.
8. Very good. Very good, Rinad. Your answer is correct. Thank you. So I will break the 88 into two numbers. The first one, the first 8 in the ones digit, so it will be 8. The second one, it will be 8 in the 10th digit, so it will be 80. Those numbers able to divide on 4. Yes, I will choose those numbers. So now I want to divide those numbers on 4. Yes, Noura? Could you please tell me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. The first number, 80 divided 4. The answer will be what?
80 divided 4?
Yes, equals what?
8 or
80, 80. This one, 80 divided 4 equals what? 8 divided 4 equals what? 2. Very good. 2, that's correct. And I have to put the 0 next to it, so it will be what? It will be 20.
It will be 20.
Very good. Now 8 divided 4 also, it will be
Also 2.
2. Now 20 plus 2 equals what?
20 plus 2 equals 40.
20 plus 2,
Is 40.
how much? 20 plus 2 equals, put it vertically, put it vertically, like this. 0 plus 2 equals 2.
Plus 2.
Yes, 22. So this is the answer for number 5. Thank you, Noura. Thank you, my dear. So let's do now number 6. Number 6, I want to break, or I want to divide 36 on 4 on 3. I want to break 36 into two numbers, and those two numbers, okay girls, you have no space. You can write you can write it on a sticky note, the way how to find the answer, or you can write the answer directly. Now I want to break the 36 into two numbers. Those two numbers must be able to divide on 3. Let's see who will tell me what those two numbers according to the distributive probability. Yes, Bisam. Open your mic and tell me.
Yes, teacher. It will be 30
Yes?
and 6.
30 and 6. Your answer is correct. Thank you so much, Bisam. So Bisam said that I will break the 36 into two numbers. The first one will be 30, 3 in the 10th digit, the 6 in the 1st digit, so it will be 6. Those numbers are able to divide on 3, so I will choose those numbers. Now who didn't answer? Yes, Duha, open your mic, my dear, and let's divide 30 by 3.
Yes.
Yes, 30 divided 3. First thing, 3 divided 3 equals
3 divided 3 equal 1.
very good. And I have to put what?
0.
0 next to it. Very good. Now 6 divided 3, Duha.
Equal 2.
Equals 2. Very good, because 2 multiplied 3 equals 6. Now 10 plus 2 equals what?
12.
Very good, Duha. So this is the answer for this division. Thank you so much, Duha. Thank you, my dear. So the answer is 12. Now the last one, 186 divided 6. I want to break the number here, the 100 number, into two numbers. Those two numbers must be able to divide on 6. So let's see what those two numbers. Okay, let's see. Sama. Yes, Sama, open your mic, my dear.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, my dear. 186. I want to break those numbers, this number, into two numbers. Could you please tell me what's the first one?
100
And
and 6.
you mean that the both numbers, the first one 100, the second one 6?
Yes.
What about the 8? You erase the 8 in your answer. You have an 8 here. So look, I will take those two numbers, 1 and 8, and I will take the number here. It will be what? 180, right? Because the first number in the hundredths digit, the second one in the tenth digit. So I will take both those numbers, which is 1 and 8, and put it here. Don't forget to put 0 in the ones digit. So the number will be 180. The second one is 6. Very good. Thank you so much, Sema. So that's how I will break the 186. Look, those two numbers able to divide on 6. 180 able to divide on 6, because I can divide 18 on 6. Let's see now the answer, how I will find the answer. Yes, Taline, open your mic. And let's see 180 divided 6. Taline, open your mic. The mic, Taline, not the video.
Teacher.
Yes, dear. Now 18 divided 6. What's the number that I will multiply it with 6? The answer will be 18.
12.
12? What's the number in multiplication table?
14 by 6 equal 18.
What again?
14 by 6
14?
equals 18.
14 by 6 equals 18?
Yes.
You mean 14?
Yes.
Multiply 6 equals 18? No. No, what's the number that I will multiply it with 6? The answer will be 18 in multiplication table of 6.
14.
The number is 3. From where you give me the 14? From where, Taline? Look,
14 by 6.
multiplication table, Taline. 3 multiply 6 equals 18. From 3 multiply 6 equals what? Equals 18. That's mean 18 divided 6 equals 3. I have to put...
I'm sorry, but I think it's 80.
No, I said 18, 18. 18, my dear. Ah, you think I said 80 divided 6? Okay. So it's 18 divided 6. Those numbers, just those numbers. And 6 divided 6
6 divided 6
equals
36.
divided, not multiply. I want you to tell me what's the number that I will multiply it with 6. The answer will be 6.
1.
Very good. Very good. Now 30 plus 1 equals what? 30 plus
30
1
plus equal 31.
Very good, Taleen. Thank you so much. So
Teacher,
this is the answer, will be 31 for this example number 7. Girls, if you finish, please tell me on the chat box, type 1. If you don't finish, please also tell me, and type 0 to do the exercises on homework, because we have, I think, 10 minutes in our session. All of you finished? Girls, if you don't finish, please type 0. Okay, I think all of you finished. So let's start with, now we will start with page 231. Okay, now let's move to this page and I will erase this. I think all of you finished, girls. And let's start with the first example, or the second example in the homework page. Please, girls, stop typing on the chat. Girls, all of you. Now let's solve the exercises on page. This is the page 231. Okay. Now the first example, or the first example already solved in the page, in this page. Now we will do number 2. Exercise number 2. 81 divided 3. Who didn't answer today? Who didn't answer? Okay, I will choose Zena. Yes, Zena, open your mic, Zena, and tell me.
yes, teacher.
Yes, my dear, I want you to break the 81 into 2 numbers. Those 2 numbers must be able to divide on 3.
Yeah.
Yes.
80 divided 3, I can't divide it. So it will be 30 divided 3.
Okay, 30. What's the second number? You mean you will choose 30 here, as you said, 30. And the second number, which will be what? Take 30 from the 81, so the number left with me is 51. Okay? Can I divide 51 on 3? It's easy for me to divide 51 on 3. No, that's mean I will not choose those numbers. Look, if I can't choose 30, I will choose, as an example, 60. And the second number will be what? Take 60 from 81. The second number will be what? Will be, if you take 60 from 81, then the second number will be 21, sorry. So look, if you take, as an example, from 81, you take 60. So if you minus those, are you with me now, Zena? If you subtract 81 and 60, try, so the number will be what? 81. So look, 60 and 81, both numbers able to divide on 3. I can divide those numbers on 3. So let's divide the numbers on 3. Who will help me to divide? Yes, let's see, Lara, Okay, just 1 minute. Where's your name? I think this is Kinsey, not Lara, right? Kinsey or what? Okay, yes, Lara. Lara, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, dear. 60 divided 3. Now I will divide 6 on 3. 6 divided 3 equals what? What's the number that I will multiply it with 3? The answer will be 6.
2.
Yes, very good. So the answer is 2, and I have to put 0 next to the 2, so it will be 20. I forget the plus here. I'm sorry. So 21 divided 3. What's the number that I will multiply it with 3? The answer will be 21.
7.
Very good. 7. Now add 21 and 7.
27.
Very good, Lara. Thank you so much. So the answer will be 27. Thank you, my dear. So,
Welcome, teacher.
thanks. Okay. So this is the answer for number 2 in the homework, girls. Now let's do number 3. Okay, number 3. If you don't answer, please raise your hand. Now 232 divided 4. Very easy, I think. This example is very easy, I think. I want to break this number into 2 numbers. Those 2 numbers must be able to divide on what? On 4 here. Let's see. Okay, girls who didn't answer, please raise your hands. Yes, Kinsey, open your mic and tell me.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, I want to break 232 into 2 numbers. What is those numbers?
The 23 will be okay. It will be 230.
Hmm?
The first one,
The second one.
and the second one will be 2.
You mean here 230, right?
Yes.
And the second one will be 2. Can I divide it 230 on 4?
Yes.
What's the answer?
The answer is
23 divided 4. Can I divide it 23 on 4? Actually, I can't. So I can't take 230 and 2. Also 2, can I divide it 2 on 4? No, I can't. So those numbers, I can't choose those numbers. So what I choose here, what I will choose, look, I will take the 2 in the hundredths digit and take 200 and take 32 here, 3 and 2, and it will be 32. Look, those 2 numbers able to divide on 4. So I can divide 200 on 4 and I can divide 32 on 4. 200, thank you so much, Kinsey. So let's continue with Rimas. Yes, Rimas, could you please open your mic and tell me 200 divided 4 equals what?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, 200 divided 4. I will divide the 20 on 4 and put 0 next to the answer. 20 divided 4. What's the answer? What's the number that I...
600.
What's the number that I will multiply it with 4? The answer will be 20.
600. No. 50.
Very good. The answer is 50. Very good. Because 5 multiplied 4 equals 20 and I have to put 0 next to the answer. Now 32 divided 4. What's the number that I will multiply it with 4? The answer will be 32. Very good. It's 8. Now 8 plus 50 plus 8 equals what?
50 plus 8 equals 58.
Equals 58. Very good. So,
Thank you.
welcome. Thank you, my dear. Thanks for you. And if you finish, please, girls, did you finish number 2? Type 1 in the chat. Number 2 only. I'm asking you to tell me if you finish number 2. No? Okay. Okay. Just write the answer, please. Okay. Okay, girls, I think the period is finished, so we can't solve number 4. So, girls, I hope that you understand the lesson very well. You have a homework. Don't forget to do the homework and send it for me on the WhatsApp and upload it on the platform, please. Don't forget you have an electronic homework, of course. So please solve the electronic homework. I mentioned that on the WhatsApp group. So please do the homeworks and send it for me. Thank you very much and see you on Sunday. Have a nice weekend and bye bye.